Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new on this channel, you're very welcome. And if you continue to visit again and again, thanks so much for coming again. This is Tega, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to make a pointed shoulder sleeve. So let's get started. As you can see, I've drafted a mini pattern, bodice pattern, and a sleeve. So you want to use your commercial pattern or the pattern you've drafted by yourself already. And we're only going to be working with the sleeve and the shoulder. As you can see, a normal shoulder sleeve is slanted by most of the time by 1 inch or 1.5. And what you need to do, considering this one being 1 inch slope, you want to place your pattern on another plain paper and you want to draft out another shoulder. So we're going to be making a complete bodice pattern again. So you want to transfer the neckline, the shoulder line, and a bit of the sleeve line on another paper so we can start working on that. You want to come out within the shoulder by 2 inches. Because I'm using a A4 paper, I'm making use of a ruler. I'll be using 1 inch there because the paper is small. You want to come in by 2 inches on the shoulder line and work yourself all the way up by another 2 inches, right? So you want to connect the armhole, the 2 inches right up to the shoulder. Then again, you want to blend in the 2 inches to the armhole. So grab your ruler again and do the blending. And once that is done, you want to move ahead and draw out your bodice pattern. If you want to consider coming out like a bit of an out shoulder sleeve, you can. This is optional. You can come out by 1 inch or 1/2 inch. So it defines how your sleeve is going to be at the end of the day. I'm going to leave mine like this. For drafting this pointed shoulder, you have to go along with the leftover after drafting your neckline. For example, you've taken 3 inches or 3.5 inches for your neck width. You'll be left with either 4 inches or 5 inches. If your shoulder after dividing by 2 is 7 inches or 8 inches, whatever you've got left, you can work yourself from the midpoint of the shoulder. Like I said before, I've only used 1 inch here because I'm drafting with a A4 paper, a very small paper. On your real pattern, you want to work yourself up from 2 inches or the midpoint of your shoulder. Either way, it's fine. Now you want to work on your sleeve after drafting the pointed shoulder. Then whatever measurement you have, you want to transfer the same measurement like that to your sleeve. So grab your tape roll or your ruler and just take the measurement again. Then go over there to your sleeve and add that measurement. Exactly what you have there. I would advise that you add that extra bit on your sleeve while the sleeve is unfolded. Do not lay your sleeve flat, wide open like that. You will get the wrong measurement. You want to fold it back and add that extra bit on a separate paper. You would do the same process when padding the shoulder, because you would need to apply a bit of a padding for the shoulder to stand out, or good interfacing. You want to draft another sleeve now. You want to add exactly what you've got on your shoulder. What you've just measured, you want to add that now and make your marking. Make sure you draft your sleeve first so you don't make any mistake. Like that, then you add your measurement. After adding that measurement, you want to do a blending. So you want to blend them together so it forms the new sleeve. Make sure you add your sewing allowance all the way around, guys, either when drafting your pattern or when cutting your fabric. But to be honest, it's better when drafting the pattern that you add your sewing allowance. I haven't added it here, but make sure you add it on yours. So add your 1/2 inch round the armhole and on your sleeve to be able to achieve the desired sleeve. Very important. Now what you would do when stitching together is easy. Right side facing right side, you just connect the shoulder to the sleeve like that. You want to take the armhole measurement again against the sleeve to make sure you have the right measurement before stitching. You don't want the armhole longer than the sleeve, so you need to work on both and make sure they are accurate in measurement. This is what you would have the before and after, the normal bodice measurement as against the one with a pointy shoulder sleeve. This is how your bodice will be, and this is how your sleeve will be. Now you've got a pointy sleeve instead of the normal sleeve. So thanks for watching. I hope this video will help someone in drafting their pointed shoulder sleeve. If this tutorial has been helpful, you want to subscribe, like, share and leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Till then guys, look after yourself and bye for now.